Hello friends, in this video lecture we see the remaining example based on the general second degree equation. Now let's see the first example is here. Show that the equation x square plus 2xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0 does not represent a pair of lines, and we know that the some necessary condition for the general second degree equation represent a pair of lines. Okay, now see the condition. Conditions of given equation represent a pair of lines. We know that the first condition is here ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0, and this condition we can express the in terms of a determinant. Determinant is here AH G H D F G F C is equal to 0, and we know that this determinant is, how to remember this determinant? A happy girl having beautiful face go for college. Okay, now how to remember this condition? We know that the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now for expressing this condition, first of all we take a first three alphabet as it is ABC. Then after these two alphabets are eliminated, D and E. So take plus 2, and then after take F, G, H as it is. Okay. Now then the next term we can write A, take as it is AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. This is the first condition. Now see the second condition is here H square minus AB is a greater than or is equal to 0, and after satisfying the given equation, these two conditions represent a pair of line, and at least one of the condition does not satisfy. Then after given equation does not represent a pair of line. Okay. Now first of all we can write the given equation is given equation of line is, we have to give the equation of line is here x square plus 2xy plus 2y square plus 2x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. And for finding the value of ABC and FGH, first of all this equation comparing with general second degree equation, comparing with, we know that the general second degree equation is, we can write ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now first of all comparing these two equations, we get the value of A get 1. Value of 2h. 2h is here 2 implies we can write a value of h. This 2 is multiple of that side, transform to the right hand side, we get 2 by 2 and ratio of 2 by 2 get 1. Okay. Now the value of b is here 2, value of 2g get 2 implies value of g get 1. Now value of 2f is here 2 implies value of f we can get 1, and value of c is here constant is 1. Now first of all we take a first condition. Now we have to take a first condition is here ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square, and In that condition, substitute the values of A, B, C and F, G, H. Value of A is, we can put A is here 1, B is here 2 and C is 1 plus 2 times F is here 1, G is 1 and H is also 1 minus plus 2 times 1, 1 into 1 minus A is 1 into G is F is also 1 square minus B is 2, G is 1 square minus C is 1 and H is also 1 square. Okay, now simplify these terms. We get here 2 plus 2 minus 1 square get 1, 1 into 1 we can write 1 minus 1 square get 1, 1 into 2 we can write here 2 minus 1 square is 1, 1 into 1 get 1. We can write here 4 minus 4 is equal to get 0. Okay, now the given equation satisfying the first condition. Therefore, we can write ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. Now the first condition 1 is satisfied. Now to take a second condition. Second condition is here H square minus AB. We know that the value of H is here 1. Take a 1 square minus A is here 1, B is here 2. Now simplify this condition. We can write here 1 square is 1 minus, we know that 2 into 1 get 2. And difference between these two terms get the minus 1. In that case, value of H square minus AB is strictly less than get minus 1. So H square minus AB is not greater than or is equal to 0. This value does not satisfy the second condition. Means condition second is not satisfied. Okay. Now we can write the given equation. The given equation does not represent a pair of lines, and that is to show. Okay, now first of all write down this example and the third example write from homework. Okay, write down this third example. Please pause the video and write down third example. Now see, the next example is here. Show that the equation 2x square plus xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 represent a pair of line. And we know that the two necessary conditions for the given equation represent a pair of line. Okay. Now in this example also find the acute angle between them. Okay, so after satisfying the given equation represent a pair of a line, we have to find the angle between two lines is here. These are the two pair of lines and this is the angle between these two lines. Okay, now for finding the acute angle between these two lines, we take the formula tan theta is equal to 2 root of value h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Okay, now first of all we have to show the equation represent a pair of line. Now write down the given equation of line is given equation of line is 2x square plus xy minus y square plus x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0. Compare this equation with the general equation. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now we get the value of a. Value of a is here 2. Value of 2h get 1 implies value of h is get half. Now value of b. Value of b get minus 1. Value of 2g. 2g get 1 implies value of g get half. Now the value of 2f is here 4 implies value of f we can write 4 by 2 get 2 and the value of c is here minus 3. Now first of all we have to take a first condition, and first condition is here we can take condition in the form of a determinant. Otherwise we take ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to value of ABC. A is here 2, B minus 1 and C minus 3. Okay, A is here 1, A is 2, B is minus 1, C is minus 3 plus 2 times FGH. F is here 2, G is take half, and H is also take here half, minus AF square, A 2, F 2 square minus B minus 1 and G, BG square, B is minus 1, G is half, minus C minus 3 into H is half square. Okay, now simplify these terms. We can write product of these two terms get plus 3 into 3 2s are get 6 plus these two get cancelled, these two get cancelled, 1 into 1 get here 1 minus we can write here 2 square is 4 and 4 2s are 8 minus 8 minus get here plus then half square is here 1 by 4 then half minus get here plus half square is 1 by 4 into 3 we can write here 3 by 4. Now simplify all these terms. We can write here sum of these two terms is 7 minus 8 we get minus 1 plus sum of these two terms get 4 by 4. LCM is 4, sum of numerator is 4. Then get minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Means given equation satisfy the first condition. So we can write here first condition is here ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus bg square minus ch square is equal to 0. This is the first equation. Now also take the second condition. Second condition is here h square minus ab, and we know that the value of h is here half square minus b, value of b is here minus 1, and value of a is here 2 into, we can take here minus 1. Okay, now simplify this expression. We can write here 1 by 4, minus get plus, 2 into 1 get here 2. Now sum of these two terms is LCM is here 4, then take a cross multiplication, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 get here 9. Okay, now in that case h square minus ab, ratio of these two terms get 1 point something and 1 point something, and say h square minus ab is get greater than or is equal to 0. This is the second condition. Now from equation 1 and 2, both conditions are satisfied, so the given equation represent a pair of lines. Okay, now for finding the acute angle theta between them is, here we can take, let theta be the acute angle between them. Theta is the angle between these two pair of lines. We have to take the formula tan theta is equal to 2 root h square minus ab whole term divided by a plus b. Now we know that the value of h is here half, so square root of, we can write here half square minus a is here 2 and b is here minus 1 whole term divided by a is 2, b is minus 1. Now simplifying this result, we can write here 2 take as it is, square of this term is 1 by 4 plus, we can write here minus get plus, 2 ones are 2, and whole term divided by, we can write here 1. Okay, now simplify this term, we can write here 2 into root of value, sum of these two terms get 9 by 4, denominator is here 1. Okay, now take 2 as it is here, or h square minus ab. Okay, now into, we can write square root of this term is here 3 by 2. Okay, 2 get cancel, therefore the value of tan theta is here. We can write tan theta is mod 3, so value of tan theta get 3. Now theta, we can write here tan inverse 3, and this is the acute angle between the pair of lines. Okay, now first of all write down this problem. Now see, the next question is here, find the separate equation of the lines represented by the following equations. For finding the separate equation, we know that the two different methods. In the previous lecture we already learned the two different methods for finding the separate equation of this equation. One is the factorization form, and second we have to consider the जर फॅक्टर्स पडत नसतील तर आपण काय करतो, या लाईनचे दोन स्लोप कन्सिडर करतो, m1 and m2, and we know that the sum of slope and product of slope. Okay, now first of all directly factorize this equation, otherwise we have to substitute the x minus 2 in equation x minus 2, we take here capital X. Here is the x minus 2, y plus 1, here is the y plus 1, and y plus 1 we take here capital Y. Okay, now here first for finding the separate equation, we take here x minus 2, we take here capital X, and y plus 1 we take here capital Y. Now the given equation, after putting these two values, we can write the given equation is here we can write the above equation becomes x minus 2, take a capital X square minus 3 times capital X into capital Y plus 2y square is equal to 0. Okay, now see here आपल्याला फॅक्टर काढण्यासाठी बघा प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू टर्म्स हा 2 मिळाला पाहिजे and sum of those terms get a minus 3. Okay, so for factorizing this equation, 2 into 1 get here 2, so take a factor 2 into 1, but sum of these two terms get minus 3, so take here minus sign, here take also minus sign. Sum of minus 2 minus 1 get minus 3, and product of these two terms get here 2. Okay, now we can write the given equation is here x square minus 2xy minus xy minus xy, we can write here minus 2xy plus 2y square is equal to 0. Now take a common factor of first two term is here x. In bracket we can write here x minus y. Now take a common factor of these two terms is here 2y. In bracket we can write x minus, here we can write minus 1. Okay, now in this equation we take also common factor of these two terms is here x minus 1 minus into we can write x minus 2y is equal to 0, and we know that product of these two bracket get 0. In that case either first bracket is 0, otherwise second bracket is 0. So these are the separate equations, so we can write here and. So first of all we can write here x minus y is equal to 0 and x minus 2y is equal to 0. Therefore the separate, these two are the separate equation, but given equation we have to give in the small letters. Okay, so first of all resubstituting the values of capital X and Y. Okay, now we know that the capital X is here, value of capital X is here x minus 2, and value of capital Y is here y plus 1 is equal to 0, and in the second equation capital X is here x minus 2 minus 2 times capital Y is here y plus 1. Now simplify first upon these two equations, we can write here x minus 2 minus y minus 1 is equal to 0, and x minus 2 minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now that is x minus y minus 2 minus 1 get here minus 3 is equal to 0, and x minus 2y minus 2 minus 2 get here minus 4 is equal to 0, and these two are the separate equation of given life. Therefore we can write here the separate equations of lines are, first is the x minus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and second is the x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now this type of a question we have to find the alternate net method is here. Take it directly, product of these two terms, get here 2 and sum is here minus 3. तुम्ही डायरेक्टली फॅक्टरायझेशन मेथडनी आहे असं सिम्प्लिफाय करून हे दोन सेपरेट इक्वेशन काय करू शकताय, फाइंड आउट करू शकताय. नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ सेम टाइप वी कॅन राइट फॉर homework. Okay, now the remaining example based on the general second degree equation we will see in the next video lecture. Okay, thank you.